Well, if you look at all of Europe, of course, we do have many structural problems. I disagree with most of these macro guys who think that this is all a question about fiscal policy. Europe needs reforms, and Scandinavia certainly needs reforms of its labor markets, of its taxation, and so on and so forth. And that means that, sadly, we will be lacking behind going forward, both lagging behind Asia, of course, but even lagging behind the United States. So, yes, we're doing okay, but we should be doing so much better.
Yeah, well, I hear you, and I think it's something that we've tried to talk a lot about on CNBC Europe over recent years, but we know that there is some inertia and some resistance on that. Just focusing on Sampo specifically, can I ask you about the P&C underwriting trends that you're seeing, and will they be strong going forward?
Well, we are, of course, very well placed in the Scandinavian marketplace. We have a roughly 20% market share across the region and about 20% in each of the individual 4 countries, with the exception of Denmark, where we then have added to our offering by owning about half of Top Denmark and being the controlling shareholder in that. So if you conclude Top Denmark's market share in our numbers, we have a coverage of more than 20% of the Danish market as well. If you look at general trends, it's the word is really stable. We have a very, very big retail customer base, and we benefit greatly from diversification across the region. We have focused on artificial intelligence in underwriting, thus creating a really stable platform, and it seems like we're now benefiting from this.
Björn, how's the integration of Hastings going, and what's the outlook for that business for the rest of the year?
Well, we're not really integrating Hastings in the sense that we would put it under the If brand or really linking up IT or something like that. Hastings, we in retrospect now, we were very fortunate. We bought Hastings at a very opportune time prior to the pandemic. We achieved a deal on reasonable terms, and of course, as you all know, Hastings, more than 90% of its underwriting is motor, and as I'm sure you're aware, because of much lower traffic, we've had lower frequencies in motor insurance, and as a consequence, the Hastings acquisition has become a great success short term. It will be an even greater success long term, because now we have clearly identified areas for technology transfer, both between If or from Scandinavia to Hastings in some areas, but much more. We have also been surprised about the skill level and aptitude in some of the digital solutions in Hastings, which will also, in the longer run, be very helpful for our Scandinavian operation.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.